Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss about number system part 2. Yesterday we discussed about the number system basics. Then what are the types of numbers? So types of numbers and factors, divisibility. These are all including number system. Divisibility rules, product cycle and remainder cycle. Then digit numbers. So digit or number. How we are going to find out this? It is a digit. Single digit number. This also is a number, but it is a single digit number. So this one also is number and it is a 2-digit number. Okay, like that. And then types of the numbers we discuss. All the type of numbers is existing from complex number. So just recapping the class yesterday's. Just now see here a plus ib. What is ib here? It is an imaginary part and it's a real part. So A is nothing but real numbers and IB is nothing but imaginary numbers. So imaginary numbers we are representing with I. So I is nothing but root I. I equal to root minus 1 actually. So I square, I cube, I power 4 up to I power 6 we saw yesterday. And then we know that one point, that is any 4 consecutive I powers, power of I will be 0. Any 4 consecutive numbers, any 4 consecutive power of i's will be 0. So this will be 0 and this will also be 0. Then if it is divided by this, then it will be undefined value. 0 by 0 is undefined value. Okay. And come to the real numbers. Real numbers are the rational numbers. Rational numbers we are representing by using P by Q and Q not equal to 0 then here. Okay. And irrational numbers. So these are the real numbers. Okay. And here we are checking this. What is this 696969? It's something but first of all, I'll say for today's class we are going to discuss terminating numbers, non-terminating numbers. Non-terminating numbers. Okay, now we'll check. So here terminating and non-terminating also is 2 types. So non-terminating repeating numbers. Nothing but non-terminating repeating numbers. So, for example, of this, for example, 0.696969. So this is non-terminating. This will be repeat for number of times, infinite times. It's non-terminating. There is no stop in for particular point. It will be terminating and it is repeating also. See here 69 is there and 69 is there, 69 is there, 69, 69, 69. It is repeated and it's non-terminating. This is called as rational numbers. It comes under the rational numbers. Okay. And I'll give another example for this one. Okay, suppose 0.575757. So this will also repeating the same things. And if non-terminating, non-repeating, non-repeating number. What does this mean? Here, see, maybe we'll get like 0.585. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 7, like this. It is also non-terminating, but we'll get the values and the different values. It's not going to be repeat. Here The 5, 7 is repeat, here 6, 9 is repeat, and here the number will non-terminating, but it will be continuous like that. So this type of number is called as irrational number. Okay. And now one more type is there, that is terminating number. Terminating numbers, right? What are the terminating numbers? We can stop that thing either 0.654, it is stopping, or 1.87. Okay, that's 875. It's going to be stopped there. Okay, this also comes under rational numbers. Rational numbers. First of all, you should know the what is a terminating, what is a non-terminating repeating numbers, non-terminating non-repeat numbers, and terminating numbers. Difference, just difference. So it will be continue like that, 69, 69, 69, and it is 57, 57 continuing like this. So it is non-terminating and non-repeat also. Non-repeat also. That maybe you will get digits. Some of the digits will get, but here it is not going to be repeat. And terminating numbers, particularly you can stop. So 27 by 5. You can stop there. Okay, 5.2. Okay. Sorry, 5.4. You can stop like this. That is, this is non-terminating things. And come to the part. So how they will ask the questions like this. So first of all, they will ask to convert the repeating numbers, non-terminating repeated numbers as a number, rational number. For example, convert 0.69 bar. You can represent as a bar, right? So this we can represent as a rational number. That's actually why what I said, it's a rational number, right? So rational number is nothing but P by Q. And yesterday we discussed, I think this is. So P by Q is a rational number. So if you are representing, convert this in this form. Okay, P by Q form. How we are going to convert this? Check now. So here, what they given? They given 0.999 bar. Actually, it is bar now, okay? That means it's repeating. Suppose take x equal to 0.696969 and so on. Okay. Then how we are going to convert this in a P by Q form? Then how many numbers after the digits? How many numbers after point? It is repeating 2 numbers, right? 2. 6, 9 is only 2 is repeating after decimal point. So eliminating the decimal, first of all, you just multiply with 100. How many numbers is repeating? That many zeros were required. That many zeros. Okay. If 2 numbers is required, 2 numbers is repeating, then 2 zeros were required. That means 100. 100 into x equal to then 100 into this number. 100 into 0.696969 will get 69.69 and so on. Right? So I just multiplied with 100 in the both side. Why 100 only? Then it is repeating for 2 digits. 2 digits it's repeating. 6969 it's repeating. So I use 2 zeros. Okay. Now. So we have x equal to 0.69999 and 100x equal to 696969. Okay, then subtract x value from that one. Subtract x value from this 100x. Then it's nothing but 100x minus x equal to 99x, right? So 100x minus x equal to 99x equal to, and it's a 69 0.6969 minus 0.6969. Okay. Now 99x equal to 69. Right. Then subtracting, right? Both will get cancelled. Now x will be 69 minus 99. Okay, is it clear? So they given this one, and this is a rational number. We know that it's a bar, but we can write this in a point of p by q manner. 69 by 99. 69 by 99 is a rational form of p by q form of 0.69. Okay. Now, for example, we'll see another example for converting this. Convert 0.123 bar. Okay. Now check what I said. This is take the x value, x equal to 0.123 like this. Okay. And take how many digits is repeating 0. After decimal 1, 2, 3. 3 digits is repeating. 3 digits is repeating means how many zeros we require? 3 zeros. Then just multiply with 1000x. 1000x equal to 123.123 like this. Okay. Then ask this, just subtract x from this one. So it will be 999x will get equal to 123, right? And then x will be 1x equal to nothing but 123 by 999. But so this is how we are going to convert. But what is the shortcut for this? So every time we are not going to convert multiplying with 1000 and subtracting. No need of this one, right? Just check it. So here, how many numbers under the bar? First of all, check that how many numbers is under the bar. 3 numbers, right? What are the 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, right? And 3 minus 0. Why 0 here? 0 is there. Okay, 0 by how many digits is there? That many 9s will come. 999 directly. We can take directly. Okay. 1, 2, 3 minus 0. This is a 0 and 999. Okay. And previous problem 0.9, right? 0.6969, right? So first, how many digits is there under bar? 69. 69 by how many digits is there? That many 9s will become 999. 69 by 99. Okay. So, for example, they given 1.6969 bar. Okay, 69 bar. Okay. Now, how we are going to convert that? By using the shortcut. So it is nothing but 1. It is 2, right? 2 digits. So if you are multiplying with 100, then it's nothing but 169. It becomes 169 minus, this is a 1 here. 1 divided by how many digits is there? 2 digits. So 2 9s will come. 2 zeros, 2 9s will come. So it is nothing but 168 by 99. Okay. Now, check here. Okay. Another example we'll see for the same type of this one. Suppose 1.45 bar for only, now I'm keeping only for 5. Bar only for 5. That means 5 will be repeat, right? 5 will be repeat. Then how we are going to convert this in a PQ form, P by Q form. Check. So as it is, first of all, in a normalization method, x equal to 1.455555. Okay, then, and then after decimal, how many digits is there? 2 digits is there. Just multiply with 100. Then we can take the decimal out first of all. 145.555. Now, see here, it is repeating only one number. So, see, for this, we just multiply with 10. So it will become 14.555. So here I am taking for just repeating. Here decimal, after decimal 2 digits is there. So I multiplied with 2 zeros, that is 100. And then here in under the bar is only one number is there. Okay. Then so I multiplied with 1 0, that is this one. So if you are subtracting these two, then we'll get 90x equal to 131, 39, 14, 10, 31, yeah, 131.555. Sorry, after subtracting, we'll only get 131 by. Then x will be 131 by 90. Here, see, we just observe. Just it is under the bar, it's only one digit. It's only one digit. So 19 only we got. 19 only we got, and repeating zeros. Okay. I guess for shortcut of this one, directly 145 minus 14 divided by, how many nines is there? Only one repeating under the bar, just 90. Okay. There is nothing but 131 by 90. Okay. Clear? Now, for example, we'll see another example, then we will better understand this one. 2.135, but here the bar is for 5 only. Okay, 5 only. Then how we are going to find out this one? So by using the shortcut, how many digits is there after decimal? 3, right? 3 digits is there. So if you are multiplying with 3 zeros, that is nothing but 2135 minus, how many repeating numbers is there? Only 1. Right? So if you are multiplying with, non-terminating, you have to take non-terminating. It's nothing but 213. Then eliminate that under the bar which is repeating. Eliminate that, remaining number you just take it. Then shortcut it is. Okay, then divided by 900. We have only one repeating number. So 1 9 will be get, then remaining 2 is zeros will be get. Okay. So this is nothing but 1922 by 900. So this is P by Q form. Okay. This is about a rational, non-repeating and repeating. Non-repeating, non-terminal number and non-terminal repeating numbers. Okay. Now, I just forgot to discuss one thing yesterday. This one, digit and number. We have to calculate first of all. Now I'll ask you to calculate this one first of all. Then we'll move for the next one. So up to this, we just discuss about the rational numbers, irrational numbers. Okay. Now check this. If I ask from 0 to 9, how many digits is there? How many digits? How many digits is there? Say, tell me, ma. 10 digits. Right? Now we'll count the first. Start the count for. Just wait. No. Say the real numbers. Say the natural numbers. I have 1 to 9. So how many digits will be there here? So obviously it is 9, right? Clear? 1 to 9 is nothing but 9 digits will be there. And see, if 1 to 39, 1 to 39, how many digits will be there? How many digits? How many digits will be there in 1 to 39? Say anyone? $39, $38. Oh, super. See, I'm asking the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 9 are single digit numbers. Single digit numbers. In this number, 1 to 9, how many digits is there? 9 digits is there. And come to this, 1 to 39. So 1 to 9 is 9 digits. It's nothing but 9 digits. And then 11 to 39. So how many digits is there in numbers? In these numbers, just check. So 1 to 9, sorry, 10, sorry, 10. It is 10. From 10 to 39, how many digits is there? Each number is having 2 digits, right? 2 digits. Is it clear? What I'm saying, it's clear. 2 digits is there. Okay. And just one, I'm asking 1 to 39. That means 39 minus that 9 digits is there. So 9 digits. So 9 digits, you just take it out and then 30. 30 into 2. Is it clear? 30 into 2 is a 60 plus the previous 9. Totally 69. How many digits I am asking? How many numbers? Not numbers. How many digits I am asking? Okay. And now for 1 to 99. How many digits will be there? Yeah, 190, 189. See here. Yes, 199. Here, just check it. So 1 to, I'm asking 1 to 99. 1 to 99. So 99 minus the first 9 digits. The first 9 digits is single digit numbers. Okay, then it's nothing but 90. So 90 are 2 digit numbers. 90 are 2 digit numbers. So 90 into 2. 90 into 2 is only 180 digits plus, and we have 9 digits already. Totally 180. Totally 189 digits. And just find out 1 to triple line. Then find this and give the answer. There is a decimal digits. How many digits from 1 to 99? 1 to 99, you said 189 digits. Now I'm asking 1 to 999. Two 2007. Nineteen 89. And any other answers? Yeah, see here, first 99 digits. Just see, we already know that 198, right? So remove that. So remaining is how many digits is there? 900. 900 into how many digits is there? How many digits? Up to 100 to 999. 100 to 99. How many digits is there? 3 digits is there, right? So into 3. Into 3. Then now say it is nothing but 2700 plus 189. Same answer. 2889. Is it clear now? Who given the answer for 1998, 1989? So just think here. I'm asking 1 to 999. So 999, how many digits is there? 3 digits is there. Up to 3 nines, it's a 3 digits will be there. Okay, and 3 digits. And 1 to 99, we already know that 189 digits is there. 1 to 99, we already know 189 digits is there. And from 100 to 99, every number is having 3 digits, right? Every number is having 3 digits. So this 900 numbers having 3 digits. So it's 2700 plus 189. It's the number 2889. Is it clear? No. Okay, this is what I actually discussed yesterday. I forgot that. Then we'll come to the part. Now we'll come to the part and again come to the previous class. And then Also, we are discussing rational numbers, right? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Now, check. What are the rational numbers? How many types is rational numbers? Here, we'll get to know one thing first. Yes, we'll see this. Rational numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers starts with which number, ma? Natural number starts with which number? Say fast. 1. Yes, it is 1 to infinity. Okay, infinity. And next one, whole numbers. This one is natural numbers and another one is whole numbers. And whole number starts with anyone? 0. Whole number starts with 0. Numbers. It starts with 0 to infinity. Okay, and then what are the types and rational numbers? It's nothing but integers. And in that we know odd numbers and even numbers. And one more type is nothing but prime number. I'll write here, okay? So this is one part of rational numbers. This is natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, integers, odd, even. And one more type is there's nothing but it says fractions. What? Fractions. Okay, and then in fractions, how many types is there in fractions? Proper fraction. I think everyone knows this, right? Proper fraction and improper fraction. And mixed fraction. Okay. So these are the rational numbers. Rational numbers is nothing but natural numbers 1 to infinity, whole numbers 0 to infinity, prime numbers, integers, odd and even numbers. And fraction numbers. In these fractions, we get proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Okay. And everyone knows this, right? Proper fraction is nothing but numerator is less than denominator. And improper means numerator greater than denominator. And mixed means we'll convert this improper fraction in a mixed fractions. Then maybe 5 1/2 is nothing but 10 plus 11/2. 11/2 is an improper fraction. Okay. And then we are converting this as like this. 5 1/2. So these are the 3 numbers. Okay. Okay, we'll stop this class today now here. So we'll start the class. We'll continue the same number system in tomorrow's class. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.